For the invisible color change, what you're going to do is stop at the stitch that you would like to make the next color change in, and you're just going to snip off your yarn end here, like so. Skip this next stitch, and in the following one, you're going to pull your yarn end through. Let me fasten this off first. So pull your yarn end through like that, and then you're going to insert your hook into the back loop of that last stitch you made, the single crochet you made, and pull the yarn tail in this way. Now what that does is you've kind of joined this round with a fake stitch. So that mimics the V shape of the stitch. And now that you've done that, you're ready to join your new color. So I can simply grab the next color. And in that original stitch, I like to just pull my yarn through like so, and then continue crocheting on the following stitches. This one was the fake one we just made, and I will simply crochet over it as if it were an actual stitch. Here you're noticing that I'm pulling the yarn ends through. That's one way to kind of hide them or keep them secure as you're crocheting. So I do it for usually just 3 stitches or so, and then I drop them off in the back. And I'm going to quickly go around this round so you can see what it looks like as a finished color change in the end. And as you can see here, it's pretty much a seamless color change, and that's how you do the invisible color change. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!